Preposition perfection. Conquering three-word phrasal prepositions. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an important part of English grammar: three-word phrasal prepositions. Prepositions can be tricky, but understanding them is key to mastering the language. So, let's get started. First off, let's define what we're talking about. Three-word phrasal prepositions are a type of preposition that are made up of three words. They're used to link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence, just like all prepositions. But these particular prepositions have a unique structure. They often consist of a simple preposition, a noun, and another simple preposition. Here are some examples: in front of, in spite of, on behalf of, in accordance with. Now that we know what they are, let's look at how to use three-word phrasal prepositions. These prepositions are often used to convey complex relationships or associations between the elements in a sentence. For example, the cat sat in front of the house. She completed the project in spite of the difficulties. He spoke on behalf of the entire team. We acted in accordance with the rules. Note that these prepositions can change the entire meaning of the sentence. So it's crucial to understand their correct usage. As you're learning, it's easy to make mistakes with these complex prepositions. One common mistake is confusing the order of the words. Remember, the structure usually follows the pattern: preposition, noun, preposition. Incorrect. The cat sat front of in the house. Correct. The cat sat in front of the house. Another common mistake is using the wrong preposition, which can dramatically alter the meaning of your sentence. Be sure to choose the correct three-word phrasal preposition that accurately expresses your intended meaning. That wraps up our discussion on three-word phrasal prepositions. Remember, mastering these will take your English language skills to a new level. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using these like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.